Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Doughboy 12-foot by 54-inch above ground swimming pool. Take in the summertime sun splashing and playing in Doughboy 12-foot by 54-inch above ground pool. This outdoor pool is a perfect fit for almost any backyard. This made of hot-dipped galvanized steel walls strengthened with deep corrugation, molded resin covers, galvanized steel ledges and verticals, and universal top and bottom steel rails and plates. Tru-Lock wall closure offers a newly designed fastening system for maximum strength, greater wall stability, and a faster, easier assembly. This kit comes with Uni-Bead Pattern GLI Liner and wide mouth wall skimmer kit. With the sturdy design, you'll be able to enjoy pool time year after year. Product benefits: universal top and bottom steel rails. This pool carries a 40-year warranty. Corrugated steel pool wall for flexibility and vertical strength. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.